Welcome to this tutorial on how to use rewards in Klarna Sign Up. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows users to shop now and pay later. The rewards program is designed to incentivize users to make purchases and pay on time. First, you need to sign up for a Klarna account. To do this, go to the Klarna website or download the Klarna app and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have created your account, you can start earning rewards. Klarna offers a variety of rewards, including vouchers, discounts, and cashback. To earn rewards, simply make a purchase using Klarna and pay on time. You will earn points for every purchase you make, and these points can be redeemed for rewards. To view your rewards, log into your Klarna account and click on the Rewards tab. Here you will see a list of available rewards and the number of points you need to redeem them. You can also track your points balance and see how many points you have earned. To redeem a reward, simply click on the reward you want and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. You can redeem your rewards for vouchers, discounts, or cashback. For example, you can redeem your points for a voucher to use at your favorite store or for cashback on your next purchase. Best practices for using rewards in Klarna Sign Up include making purchases and paying on time to earn points, tracking your points balance to see how many points you have earned, and redeeming your rewards for vouchers, discounts, or cashback. It is also important to read the terms and conditions of the rewards program to understand how it works and what rewards are available. In conclusion, using rewards in Klarna Sign Up is a great way to earn incentives for making purchases and paying on time. By following these steps and best practices, you can earn rewards and get the most out of your Klarna account. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of the rewards program and track your points balance to see how many points you have earned.